Hi everyone, this is LH Crypto Analyst team.
And today with this video we're launching our series of weekly investment reports on traditional trading markets and cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, we're going to show you what to pay special attention to.
Precisely. And what we recommend to pay special attention to next week is major countries' announcements on their employment change and retail sales.
Yeah, and I'm going to show you where to look this up. Here, I recommend investing.com, and they have economic calendars with all the major events, holidays, and full employment rates.
What major countries are about to announce their ratings? Well, United States, Great Britain can be called major countries, alongside with Canada and Australia. China, sorry, only for this time.
Okay, well, what currency pairs to pay attention to? What are they?
Our analytic teams recommends to pay special attention to Euro, United States dollar, currency pair, and Great Britain pound, United States dollar.
Let's look it up in the terminal.
And here's the graph.
No. Wait, gold. Sorry, I left gold.
And well, who doesn't?
Yeah.
Yep. And those who are great fans of technical analysis, wow, because what you see here is a double top, which usually indicates the future rise after a tiny correction.
Yeah, and so Euro is going to go downwards towards USD. This is what we expect, we hope. And what is the next currency you're talking about?
As for the Great Britain pound versus United States dollar, this pair can also reach their peaks reach their August level. But here, of course, the British currency will strengthen towards the American one. We don't see any candle patterns here, and Fibonacci analysis, a tool very popular these days after the Da Vinci Code confirmed the forecast. So we recommend pay special attention to, again, Euro versus United States dollar, currency pair, and Great Britain pound versus United States dollar.
And so back to the shiny stuff.
Ladies will be ladies.
Don't do the sexist thing to me. Everyone loves gold. Forget him. So, yesterday when we were preparing the text, this was a classic trend, a classic downward trend. But now, can you see it? There was a short correction, and this is so thrilling. But, well, why do we expect gold to keep falling? Why?
The Bloomberg agency, because the Bloomberg agency has released data on the foundations investing in gold, and they have hit the bottom of September 2017. So no wonder the gold will continue its downward movement
after this correction. Okay, so what are we going to check out next?
Next is good old stock market. Next week, our favorites are McDonald's and Google. Well, quite names this week. So, what about as for McDonald's? After their refurbishment program, investors are expecting increasing of cash flow, average check volume, average order volume, and customer traffic flow, which will eventually increase in dividends growth. As for Google, the situation is quite to the contrary. Continuous scandals have always had a negative effect on any stock, on whatever stocks are. Google is no exception.
Well, it was an old world. And now we're going to switch to a brave new world of cryptocurrencies, and we offer you a crypto digest full of mysteries, and secrets and conspiracy theories.
Not to mention scandals. Because Bitcoin, just as a whole crypto market, has been downward trend for the whole year. There are a lot of theories why is this stuff happening, and apologists of both sides are ready to cut their throats to each other, but where's the truth?
Well, it happens all the time. But anyway, let's try to figure out what has actually happened and who is right and who is wrong, shorters or longers. So, okay, let's look at the one-day graph, one-day chart. And here, starting from the middle of June, there was something happening, and the volatility has been becoming ever lower and lower, and we see an accumulation area here. Ooh.
That's something. So it's more important to make different questions, Gabe. When it is going to turn upwards, the moment which the whole market is waiting for. Okay, we keep looking. The year's minimum was set on the 24th of June, and after that, minimums crawled up a bit, trying to break the upwards trend, not at least 4 times. On the other hand, there is now a resistance line here, right? It has already spiked 3 attacks of the bulls.
Oh yes, so you can see the resistance lines and the support line, they're quite symmetric, so we have literally no idea where it's going to turn next. And we came to what we started from, that the shorters and longers, there's no idea who's right or wrong.
But everyone is waiting for something.
Yes, something's going to burst out soon. Or not. Okay, so we never know where it is going to turn. And if it goes down, it will reach like 3,200 USD per Bitcoin or 3,500. And it's just so low. This is going to break all the records and send the crypto down for ages. Just say crypto. And this is, well, so sad. Do you think it's possible at all?
Well, everything's possible. However, if the trend breaks the triangle up, the rate will peak 9 grams or 9.5 grams, which is far more positive and far more reliable scenario, isn't it?
Well, yeah, of course. But speaking about the conspiracy theorists, I mean, why did we just even say that? If you apply cluster analysis, you will find out a lot of interesting stuff, that there is this entire accumulation zone, and it becomes obvious that someone has been aggressively buying good old Bitcoin and reached pushing volumes. So
indeed, if you check the wallets of major cryptocurrency exchanges and whales, just like the major crypto investors are called, you may see that, for example, Tether currency was accumulated at levels of 750 million units.
Coins. Okay. And, well, I think that it's heating up, and there's something that's going to change the crypto situation at all, like legislation or, well, there was something you told me about.
Not to mention that the BUCT network expected by the whole crypto world is soon to be launched. Some say there's going to be a groundbreaking technology. Well, definitely it will have a positive influence on the market.
Well, so what did we come to? Just stay calm and stay vigilant and watch out where it is going to turn and catch this wave. Good luck.
A sensible strategy might be entering new position with pending orders at the break of key levels. If you are cocky enough, just like me, try bones trading, but keep emotions astray and remember risk management. Me, Andrew, and
Catherine,
wish the prophet be with you, fellas.
see you next week.
See you next week from the shores of a warm ocean. Which one will show you on Friday? Stay tuned. Bye.